Hey guys, it's Nilima again and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nilima and I do lifestyle content creation, and along with all my priorities, my family and my friends are definitely up there as well. So I thought I'll film a whole video blogging a day in my life, showing you guys how I try to balance a pretty busy schedule. And let me just say, yes, it can definitely get stressful and hectic sometimes, but I feel like because I've had a full plate for a pretty long time now, I found ways that works for me, and I try my very best to give love and time to all the aspects of my life that I think are really important. So guys, I hope this video can maybe help you find some more organization and balance in your life, and maybe some motivation and encouragement to get some stuff done so we can be our best and most productive selves together. So let's get back to the video and have a great day. And oh yeah, personally I like having morning classes. That's why I'm taking morning class. I think it just works better for me, and it also helps me get up at a reasonable time and make sure I'm starting off my day. So it's very good. You guys also try it. Muskan is giving me dry fruits. I don't have to be worried about hungry stomach. This is cute. This is our classroom and here is Muskan. We're making videos. She have a YouTube channel.
This is my YouTube channel.
This is her YouTube channel. Oh, let me focus. I was there before. You guys should check. Oh, why is my camera so blurry? Oh, it's good now. Hi, this is Muskan. I will introduce her officially. She's from Bihar. Say how is Bihar?
Please subscribe her channel.
Oh my gosh, I don't have. Seriously. Just kidding, let's go. They have another class. We're getting our ID cards from here.
In Manipuri language,
I want to speak here.
you have to provide subtitles.
Sure. Both of us, we are so happy. We got our ID today after 1 month, right? Show me yours. Wow, nice. Let's go. So guys, I just got home and my sister made sandwich for me. So I'm going to make tea and we'll have our breakfast together. So let's continue.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care.
So guys, I just cleaned up everything and I'll just start the first study session now. So let's go.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. that you were safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down.
Yung dài không phải jar gì không có hôn gì cũng dài hồi đó hả dàn tàn là sao
Beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now.
Fiscal responsibility management 2017 Live-tana ama i-ozana ama hai ariba anong ani siya Okay, revenue deficits and then effective revenue deficits. Okay, fiscal deficit, primary deficit, budget deficit. Okay, no.
Matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
You guys, you won't believe this, but I was reading the economy the whole day, but nothing is going inside my mind. I don't know, economy is not my thing, so it's very hard for me to catch off all the topics and all. Like, it's very new to me, so it's a hurdle to read this paper, but still I'm trying. And right now I'm reading this budget things, like this deficits and all. But after this topic, after I cover this topic, I will start reading newspaper. No, I mean I'll start making notes from newspaper. So let's continue. Mayam, ako'y nakan ako'y room sige nakanda na luhongbam tawriba makhon je mo thongnaw ga gadra ni e ha like ka pa ya de songning yam hau ha moi se environment magi surrounding environment do yam disturb taw ha mi gi ta khan da da ta makhon je mo ko hom taw ha ba aya thongnaw ga ai table ga nik poi ado ay kano economy pa lo siya lani mo ko ando may sige as kay tong ha ado ay si se FRBM ek ke ka se sige kay ba fiscal responsibility the budget management ek sugum ma yam dai si na hayen par ni ado hojik ay kano newspaper notes samtang semi ay si se atong siem ba do hekta nang haude ba mi atopa yamna ID kuloi ba gai gidi newspaper pa to dum 1 hour daga dum pa ba ngam bane ba ai gidi 3 hours mo ka changi ba hekta ID notes ko ba ke ka same ba to. So I'm going to make my newspaper notes now, and later after this I'll have my dinner and I'll sleep. So let's continue and let's start making notes, newspaper notes again. Chalo. Oh, and yeah, actually my if you guys are new and if you don't know about my coaching institute, like I'm going to Vajiram and Ravi, and then today they gave me this recitals for January. I know it's already March, but they are giving me this January recitals, and this one is called Yellow Book, but they will give all related papers, like all other related papers books, but today I got this geography yellow book, so I'll read this one later if I get the time, but
hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would.
Alright guys, my days has officially come to an end, and before I sign off this video, I want to thank you guys so much for tolerating with me till the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's day in my life vlog also. And if you guys have any advice or some motivation or encouragement, then please feel free to comment them down below. And you girl is going to head to bed now because I'm so exhausted. So I'll see you guys back with another video. Bye and good night.
When nothing really matters, that's all I